What up, what up, what up? Welcome back, guys. It is Watch the Ticks here, or Wedge Trading. Coming at you with another live day trade session. Today is, you can see it's the 13th. You know, we are definitely going, we're seeing that the market is being extremely crazy right now. So, yeah. We're just gonna chill for a little bit and wait for this thing to make its move. And you can see here it is just acting sporadic. But yeah. Alright. I hope you guys can hear me. And you guys can see that it just dropped below VWAP, and we are trading on that 1 minute candle. I think it's been working out for me a little bit better trading that 1 minute, but you know, now it's a real testament, right? Because now we're seeing some real volatility come in, so it's gonna look a little bit different. So hopefully all those trial runs that we had in the last few weeks is paying off. But it's still looking like we've been selling off hard these last couple days. So it's I mean, I don't know. Lately, everything that I've been touching has gone to shit, for lack of a better term. So like, because we've been so wiki that it just makes it that much harder for me to go ahead and what you call it and get a real decent trade going. Because I'll be expecting a move, and then it just completely goes against me. But I mean, you guys have seen me do that quite a bit. But yeah, we'll see how this plays out. Doesn't necessarily have to play out the way that I wanted to, but you guys can see here it's being a little weird. Oh man, it's still just hovering around these 20s. And if I didn't specify, this is the NQ right now. A lot of good volatility right now. Hopefully, I mean, I want to take a trade, but it just seems so stupid right now. I don't know where all the levels are. It looks like the level is going to be right around here. So if I'm looking at it from there, that's where, there's going to be a potential entry, but I can't guarantee that there is, or it's even going to be. It's actually, I'm messing up. I don't even know if that's going to be like a level of where we're going to hold. Because lately we've been just breaking every range, and we've been ticking out of every potential range that I'm thinking that we're going to be in. And it's crushing my trades, actually. Because, you guys remember, or before the channel got deleted, I used to love the range trades. So, if I'm expecting it to be in a range, it's not holding these range. Like right now, it just broke these range. I was thinking it was going to really pretty much hold this. The tens, and it might be as of right now, but it can always change though. But yeah, how have you guys been trading? Because I've been trading like crap. I've been holding trades for too long. I'm trying to adopt the Model C profit take profit, but it is sort of harder. As we say that, you guys can see here that we are starting to sell off. And no. Actually, let's take that. I'll take that trade. The reason why I took that trade is because, like I said, I was expecting it to hold these 10s. And so we are below these 10s, like I had said. And I sort of like the odds there. Profit is looking right around 10 points. So that's where I'm looking at. Hopefully we can pop above. If we can get to VWAP, then yeah, I think for sure. Yeah, right around VWAP or right below it, where this EMA line is put the sell there. I will put the sell there. Trading 3 micros, so nothing crazy, but oh. Right below this VWAP level. Hopefully we can go ahead and push on through that, but yeah. Can we push it? We're like right there. Give it to me. Oh my god. There we go. Great. That was beautiful. I wish every trade was like that. But who knows? We'll see if it continues. It looks like it might sell off again. Ooh. We'll see how it reacts at VWAP. But I like where we took that initial trade. Obviously. Every trade that you make money in is always a good trade. You stop being so crazy when I talk about winning trades like that. But it's hovering over these 24s. But as soon as I say that, it starts. I don't know. It's like hovering over this VWAP level, which is fine. So it's breaking down below this VWAP level, so interesting thing. But yeah, we'll still wait it out. And as always, guys, let me know how the audio is going. I remember one time I threw out a video out there thinking the audio was perfect, great, and fine and dandy. Lo and behold, it shit sucked. So you guys' input is always greatly appreciated. Oh, It's at 25 now. I think it's gonna pop above these 30s again. Should have kept that trade on. Oh well. The only issue I have with trading micros, I feel like sometimes it's not worth it. Yeah, we're just trading in chop right now. Oh, not really chop. It's bullish. My initial read was correct. Damn. Why is it so bullish today? Not quite sure why it's bullish, but it is running. It is running. Want to make sure I have nothing on. I am pretty tempted to take this long. We'll take it. Oh, all right. Almost hit the panic button there. And then we shall put a stop right here at EMA. So we got in at 38. It might flush through all the way down. I don't know. But actually, it looks like it is. I was hoping it was only going to retrace 50% and then come right back up, like how we have been doing the last couple of days. But, you know, it is what it is. Ooh. Oh, this is so hard. I am getting some really bad lag right now. Hmm. All right. Oh, come on. I'm waiting for this thing to pop. I want this thing to retrace. Not that I want. I sort of need it to retrace a little bit. Hmm. Yeah, I got in at like the craziest chop times at least. Oh, there we go. That's what I like to see. Oh, what is this? Okay. I just realized I never put the stop on. Alright, let's go 10 points on this. Stop. Oh, what is this? It's like it's stop hunting me. You guys ever have those days? Yeah. I feel like that's just stop hunting me. I don't know. I'll take one more trade. And then, yeah, that'll be it. Because I don't like losing so much when I'm just not seeing the market, obviously. First trade went well, and then the second trade went for crap. All right. Since we are below VWAP, let's go ahead and take a short. And then we are just going to keep it really tight right here. Oh, here we go. Finally, some movement in our way. Hopefully, this thing just sells off to infinity. Oh, it's not good. There we go. Ooh, 10 points. I do like that. Yeah, let's get rid of that. All right. I was happy with that. Oh, I need to cancel that order. All right. Take a slight break here. Let me regain my momentum again. No, not momentum, but let me catch my thoughts. All right. So we are trading in a very wide range. I guess a 15-point range. It's not that crazy, but we are trading at the ranges right now of 25 and around 10. So, if I wanted to take the trade, I would go long now and then take a short up top. But there's just a lot of momentum. There it is. I called it, but I was a little too timid to take that trade. Yep, we are there. We gotta take that short if we can get filled. Filled at 24. All right. Uh, we're finally seeing some pressure back to the downside. There we go. I want it to flush really below these 15s. It's the only time it's really worth it at that point. The hell? What are they saying? I don't know. Whatever. Alright, guys. I think I might be cutting the stream soon. Just because I think with the rain, it's starting to mess with my internet connection. So. Alright. Fuck it. Whatever. Are we finally gonna push below these 15s? Or is it just gonna blue ball me? Alright. Finally, top of the hour here. Yeah, this is getting horrible to trade right now. You know what? I am going to take this off. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. Alright, guys. So went for a pretty long session there, 40 minutes. Just about 40 minutes. And for those 40 minutes, we made $10. A lot of chop. I was getting chopped and screwed. You can see here, I took a lot of trades, and it's not very good. all of this mess right here, I was getting destroyed. So we came out a little bit on top, but it's one of those days where I'd rather just cut it for the day. Had a lot of ups and downs, but we're slightly up, so we're gonna leave it as that. If you guys like this kind of video, or you guys want to see me go live, feel free to like and subscribe and stay up to date whenever I do go live.